Child Month, everybody, and what better way to celebrate it than by heading back to the nursery for a little challenge. For this morning, something to smile about. One of us is about to transform into a very hungry baby, and the other into a parent on feeding duty. Which of us is which character? Take a wild guess. Correct. The baby's over there. As the responsible adult in the room, I am the parent. However, apparently in feeding the baby, my eyes will be shut. So whatever happens, I'm claiming no responsibility for. I'm just following the rules of the game. So with that, may I ask the baby to assume the position, please?
Well, this is the first baby. We have so much beard and that kind of something.
Baby need to shave. On the menu this morning, for the baby, which baby you know wear glasses?
Which baby you don't have beard? Explain to me which baby have beard.
This baby talk a lot.
You know, say, this not gonna end good. Oh, Simone almost come through here?
No.
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 Let him say yes.
True, yes, sir? I can't, but his face is around there.
Oh, you have to go behind.
My God. Is that what y'all really want me to do?
Real? What that, please?
It's some peanut porridge. First, mommy has to stir it. Make sure it don't hot.
All right, keep your eye open here.
I don't gonna blow it because mommy don't want to, put anything in there that you shouldn't have.
Your
Okay,
eyes supposed
mommy
to
is
be
catching.
closed.
I have it in here. Ready? Okay, mommy gonna feed you. Wait. This baby, why does this baby laugh? Wait, I can't feed the baby until the baby is ready. Come, baby. Come, should be in your... Come. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Baby, wait. Did I get it? Because the baby was laughing. Come, baby. Come, have a little more.
Hold on.
Baby, nice?
No.
No, you can't. Mommy have to wipe you. Okay, ready?
Yes.
All right, wait, let me push my hands through. First of all, let's clean it up. What? This baby have a case of the giggles. Ready, baby, for your second one? Did I get it? Did I get it?
Yeah, but it's the worst tasting Paris we ever tasted in my life. Me done.
Wait, there's more. Come, go back for your something.
Burp.
Wait. Go back for it. Because I know that I don't want to give you so much porridge alone. You have to wash it. Come. Baby needs water. Very important for the baby to have water. Oops, this one can't go through the hands, so mommy has to go around the front.
Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
That don't bad.
Question.
Yes.
Can the baby turn the father though?
No! Come, stop your noise. Just want to give the baby, because the baby growing teeth now. So we're trying to give the baby other things to have. The baby wants it. Baby, come be nice. Baby's gonna make me late for work and I'm getting very cross.
Go on. Wait. The doctor said.
You must have a lot of sweet. Oh.
The doctor said, I'm too young to be eating that. You know what babies do with moms?
Baby clearly need come.
No. Am I lying though?
Baby.
No,
baby,
because the doctor.
Baby talk a lot. Have that, sweetie. That's the end of it. I just gave the baby a halls.
No, hold on.
Baby needs to stop talking.
The doctor said at this age, babies must have the mom's breast. That's what the doctor said. Breast is the best. So, moms. Hello, moms. Mommy. Hello, mommy. Mother.
Happiness. Out of order. That's it for something to smile about. Say sorry.
You are the worst mother in history.
I'm about to leave you in the house by yourself. Too out order, man. Gone. Resign from this mommy work.